Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get VIP in like quotation mark, because you just can go in the VIP room. You can actually use these stuff. You need to just go to the bushes and kind of just like jump. Whoa, okay. Just be careful where you like walk through, because you might fall. I'm just like, oh my god. Jump, girl. I honestly don't know where the VIP section is. Is it there? Okay, it's here. You're just going to jump and fall into the VIP section, or like go to the dressing rooms. Can you not fall anymore here? Okay, if you can't fall, just like fall kind of... Where are the dressing rooms? Okay, it's on this side. Just like fall in between and press E. Press space and you'll be out in the VIP room. You can't wear items though, but I guess if you really want VIP, I suggest you not to beg for VIP, because that's a little bit, I don't know, I would say it, people would just give away VIP sometimes without you like having to beg. So like, just wait and be patient, or save. If you want to just do the 1 month VIP first. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!